Hello everyone, good evening, good morning. Uh, let's start in this session. We will talk about building a dynamic template for content that has a list of blocks or list of layout, repeated layout like uh, image, title, and paragraph. And this block repeated. How we can make that in TreeShade. So let's start. At first, we are talking about software called TreeShade. This software called TreeShade, and you can install from Adobe Exchange. From Adobe Exchange website, search in Creative Cloud page for TreeShade and its local server for content management and auto-generating for design, in addition to extension for Adobe InDesign and Adobe Bridge. Also Adobe Photoshop for generating mockups for the layout. So let's start. After installing, the software will ask you to create root folder. Here I have this root folder, TRST, and inside the root folder, TreeShade will create a workshop folder, and within workshop you're supposed to put your project files and edit them. So here inside workshop, let's create a new folder. Let's name gallery, and before building the content, let's take an example in from W3 schools. In w3.css, here we have a demo, and let's build this content. Let's say main title, and here we have subtitle, and then a list of items. Each one have photo, title, and description. So let's start, and let's consider this title related to the gallery, to this subgallery. So here inside the folder, from TreeShade menu, at first let's create from TreeShade menu a new, then select data. This command will create this text file that has ts_key for the online form. Now if you double click the text file, you can open the online form. It's empty now. Let's create folder, have the same pure name of this file, data, the file name without its extension and without this flag ts_key, to pair the folder with the text file. So on the online form, the content of this folder will be loaded. Okay, now inside data, okay, now here we want to create main title. So from TreeShade menu, select new, then text, to create text file, name main title. Okay. Now let's create text file also. Let's name gallery, or let's name list. Okay. Now if we reload the online form, we will have a list as text area and main title. You can drag and drop the files here in Adobe Bridge to change the order, and from TreeShade menu, select update ts_sort.txt. So TreeShade create this special text file that store the right order of the files. Now if we refresh the online form, main title comes first. Now we need to create sub-content paired with list. So if we create folder, name list, the same text file name, you will see if we refresh, instead of displaying list as the text area, it becomes sub-content, but now it's empty. So inside list, we want to create now the first item. So from TreeShade new, select text, and then to make dynamic list, you need to write ID at first. So write ID, capital letters, and then any 5 digits, random 5 digits. Then let's put space, then display part for the online form. Let's write here label. Okay. Now if we refresh the online form, the container list disappeared. because it has only one list, but here we have one item that can be added, that have dynamic buttons to duplicate and to reorder and to remove. So we can here write label 1, and here we can write text 1, and if we click update now, you will have label 2 and label 1. Here the order depends on the TS sort, TS underscore sort. Here we have the pure name of the file. The pure name of the file is the file name without the extension, without any flag that start with TS underscore, and also without the display part, which is the text inside the square brackets at the end of the file name. So here the pure name, only this ID, and here we have label 1, then label 2, because the first ID that ends with 4, 5 belong to label 1. Anyway, you can drag and drop the file here and select update TS sort. Now we don't want a dynamic list of text files. We want a dynamic list of group of items. Title, a group of items, photo, title and image, photo, title and image, to be repeated. So what we need to make here, we need to make paired folder with the file. So let's remove the second one, move to trash, cancel, no. Okay, let's remove one from here, and let's create folder that has the same ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the folder will be paired to the text file and play as subcontent ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now they pair together. If we refresh now, you will have the same thing in list that we can add, and also container. It plays as a container. So here inside the folder we want to put 3 items: photo, title and description. So from TreeShade menu, select new photo, placeholder, and then a new text, title, and also from TreeShade menu, a new text, description. Let's refresh. Here list group appeared, then disappeared, because no need for many nested groups. So I make in the display any group that have one list to be disappeared. Anyway, now if we open here, we have the description, photo, and title. Let's drag and drop in Adobe Bridge the first photo, then title, then description, and update by selecting from TreeShade menu ts_sort, the text file that have the sorting list. Okay. Now we can build the content depending on this online form. But before that, let's connect to HTML page. So here, at the root, inside gallery, the main folder that we created for our project, let's select from TreeShade menu, a new, then index. Now we have HTML file. If we refresh, you will have two buttons here. If we click on this button, the preview of the HTML page will be displayed on the right and the online form on the left. Now there is no connection between the content and the HTML page. So let's open in VS Code. And here, let's use the template of W3 schools, this. So let's click try it, and let's copy. Let's format. Now we have a static list, repeated items. So we need to remove all of these items except the first one. So let's delete from here. Then end here. So now we have one item, W3 row. Okay. Now we need to open the paired text file. The text file that have paired folder that consider a container for the others. We have two files here. Here we have inside data, we have list, paired file with list, so it's open. And we have the first item here, paired with the sub-content. Okay. Now we need to cut the whole list, not the whole list, actually this is the whole list, or with this also, with okay, without summer holiday. So this is the whole list. Let's cut and put in list.txt, and then cut again the item. Where is the item? This. Okay. Cut the first item and put here. Okay, let's at first connect the item with its subcontent using TS tag. So inside the bird folder we have 3 files: photo, title and description. Let's start by the image, the photo. Here, instead of this static URL, let's write TS tag, TS, close, and then end. Here, inside TS tag, let's write the relative path to photo dot slash, and then here the magic happens. Write fn file name, or actually the pure file name, to reach the folder, the bird folder, because the bird folder have the same name of the file. So if we have a new ID, the same phrase will be accepted. So here write photo, and you can use regular expression, just put dot plus despite the extension, and at the end of TS tag, at the end of TS tag content, write the method or the type. Here we want to place the URL of the photo, not the content, so write URL. Now let's copy the same and put here in H2 for title. Instead of photo we have title, and instead of URL write place, to place the text file itself. And let's repeat for the paragraph. Place also the description. Okay, that's it. Now we created dynamic content for the item. Now in list, here the text list, we want to place all files inside list that start with ID, capital letters. So we want to place all the items. So what we write here, inside list, write TS tag to place all the items at once. So write start and end, and the relative path dot slash fn file name of the bird folder of list. Where this file list.txt, this is the file list.txt, have paired folder, have the same name. So we write here in relative path ./fn file name, and then write here id capital letters .plus to place all the items inside the folder, and write here place. Okay, that's it. Now all the files will be placed here, all the items. And here we want to place list inside the gallery. So the list file we want to place inside index. Inside index itself. So here tag, here the index.html. Beside index we have folder called data, and inside data we have the file list. So ./data list, then place. Only without close place. Okay, that's it. Now we have dynamic HTML that bears the content dynamically. When you reload, let's reload the page. Let's close and open again. Now you have the first item, the photo, the title, and the description. The same as here, photo, title, and description. And we forget to connect the title here, summer holiday. So here we have summer holiday. Instead of this static text, we need to place the text file. Where is the text file? Main title, inside data. So right here, ./data main title. Okay, let's close and open. Now the main title is not displayed, it's wrong here. The URL is displayed. So we have a problem in the title, which is that we forget to put place the type of TS tag without end, just like this, to place the content of the file, because without place the path of the file displayed. Let's save, and now let's close and open. Okay, good. Now we have main title for this, and now the template is completed, and let's fill the content. We have here the page, so let's copy this. Holiday summer, and let's download this photo. Okay, let's upload. You can duplicate here the second one, duplicate again, and the third one. Now let's put the text, the title and the description. The description repeated in the same page, so just repeat. And here let's write third title, and here second title. Now let's update. Before updating, let's show you what will happen here in the list folder if we click update. TreeShade now will create a new folders here, 3 folders with 3 bird files that render the content. And now if we open the page, you will have the content dynamically displayed depending on the content here. So now you can edit the web page by opening this URL. You can send this URL for editor. He can write a new title and upload new content for the web page. Using the same method, I built a complete website. Here, this website. This bilingual website, English and Arabic. And all this have online form, TreeShade online form. So you can edit the web page in 2 languages. Here in my computer I have here the web page. Here data. This is the whole web page. You can open the web page by clicking the button. And here you can reveal the field to edit in Arabic and in English. If you click in the field here, it will browse automatically on the right. See? So if you focus a field on the left, it will go to the item on the right, and if you click reveal on the right, TreeShade will close all the field except the target one. Here the Arabic, if you click here to reveal the English, right at the end, and ln equal en, language English. Now you can edit the English. You can use the preview on the right for translating. Like you can show the English on the right and edit the Arabic, or show the Arabic and edit English. Like here I can change the preview to Arabic, and then you can click reveal here to edit the English. Here if you add a new item like this print, this is the service. Here we have 3 services: design, content, and printing. If we add a new service, automatically the 3 items, the icon and the title and the description, added, so you can edit. The problem here that it's only added on the content, on the online form, but not on the web page. You need to submit to update the web page. But you, depending on the structure, you understand the content, the required content. This new item will add also the Arabic files. So English and Arabic match together in one folder. Adding a new item will add the 2 languages, the English and Arabic. If you edit the English, the Arabic will be just a placeholder. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to ask any question about installing or using TreeShade. It's totally free, and you can install from exchange.adobe.com. Search in Creative Cloud for the software name, TreeShade. Okay. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.